date today is the 18th of July, one day after Mamma Mia Day, the 17th. Me and Jazz are heading into the city. Just bought some paddle boards, so I think we're going to go and have a look and see what we can get for our paddle. Jasmine yesterday very impulsively bought us 2 paddle boards from Amazon. So, because she really wants a paddle board and it's summer, it's nice out. So we're going to go get some bits and bobs for that. Maybe an electric pump is what we're looking for. And we're going on a holiday tomorrow, which I'm also hoping to vlog. So we're also going to get some bits and bobs for holiday. Maybe we'll go to a winery. That's what I'm thinking. I really want to get some wine for holiday. A good wine. I was going to film in the winery, but they had a sign on the door saying no filming. So I was like, alright, I won't film anything. I could have tried and sneaked a couple clips, but I thought, no, I'll be respectful to it. So I'll show you what we've got now. We bought this bad boy. It's a 2021 Merlot. I don't really know too much about wines. I just know that Merlot's like, I think it's a type of grape. And yeah, that's what's the back, if it focuses. Ooh, look like that. There we go. If you can read that, there you go. But yeah, this will be for our trip. It looks very nice. Can't wait to crack it open. Next stop coming up, Mountain Warehouse. So they've got some wetsuits, all on sale, 70% off. We need to get some shoes, also on sale, so they're only they're £13 now. And wetsuits are all £23, so they're all on sale, which is really useful for us. And these are quite nice actually. Short sleeve ones, I quite like this one. Might get this, to be honest. I also need to get a life jacket. My favourite part of every single outdoors store is always the gadgets area. I love looking at the mini little gadgets. Like, look at that. What's that? Kids printed head torch. I don't need that, but it's cool. You know. Just love looking at the gadgets. So this is all the pump section. No electric pumps. We asked the people here. No electric pumps. So we might have to just get one online. I also found this thing. It's a retractable carabiner. This bit moves out like that. Attach that bit onto the paddleboard. This bit onto the water bottle. Kind of makes sense. It was Jasmine's idea. I think it will just depend when we get to get the paddleboard how it looks. But in theory, it makes sense. So it definitely wasn't an unsuccessful trip. We got lots of bits in there. I'll show you all what we got later, but we got lots of bits. Not everything we needed for the paddleboard, but we got quite a bit, and it stands us in good stead for when we want to go paddleboarding. So we're having a little walk now, taking in some of the sea views. And Jazz was saying that just over there she'd like to do some paddleboarding, or maybe over there somewhere. And I said, to be fair, it's not a bad idea. It's quite a nice area to paddleboard. Maybe just like in that little area down there when the tide's a bit closer in. It'd be a really nice area to go paddleboarding, to be honest, because we're not usually, like, I've never done paddleboarding. Jazz has. Like, you used to be quite an avid paddleboarder, didn't you? You used to do it quite a lot, so it's nice that we can get back out there, isn't it, and do some more paddleboarding. Like, I don't think I've ever done it. I've done kayaking, but I don't think it can be, I know it's different to kayaking, but it's essentially the same sort of concept, you know, don't fall off the thing and just keep paddling.
Yeah.
But she's obsessed with it at the moment, looking at all on TikTok. It's the only thing she's looking at the moment. So hopefully they're coming time. They're meant to come at 5 today, so they come today, get them on holiday, and that'd be perfect for us. You know, you can enjoy them on our holiday, which I'm still just noticed as we was walking, there's a little carnival going on. I said to Jazz just now as we finished our walk that I was a bit upset we didn't get tickets, but to be honest with you, it's not busy at all. I think I saw one person on a ride, and it was like the trampoline ride, so it didn't look very popular. And to be honest, it's not really the type of time to be doing the carnival around here. But like I said, I didn't even know they were doing a carnival, and I didn't see any posts on social media or anything, so I don't think if they did promote it, they didn't promote it very well, because there's no one there. Maybe earlier today there was more people there. You know, it just doesn't seem that busy right now.
It's Jazz now. My camera quality is worse than Josh's, but this is everything we got from Mountain Warehouse. I'm going to go through it with you guys. So first we got these retractable carabiners. They were on the 2 for 3 deal, but we only got 2. just because there's only 2 of us, so don't really see the point of having 3 of them. Then we've got the travel toothbrush. We just don't really like stuff getting into our toothbrushes, so we thought it'd be nice if they came with the cover over them, so you just take them out the cover and then brush teeth with them and then put them back in there once you've brushed them. Then Josh loves hats, so we got him a waterproof hat for when we go paddleboarding. This was £8.99 in the sale, originally £22.99 was that? £22.99, so that was a really good discount. It was 70% off, but it's just got a little Velcro at the back, and then as you can see it's all waterproof, so yeah. Then moving on to my favourite part, I just got some new waterproof shoes because mine, the soles are coming out of the inside of my old ones, so I got some new ones which now match my paddleboard, and Josh got some as well. His are by the brand Animal, I believe. They were originally £20, but we got them for 14. His don't have a tie up like mine do, but he didn't want that, but they just fit really snug and they've got a lot of grip on the bottom. Mine are these ones. They've got the do up thing, which is really easy to do up. They were originally £29.99. I got these for £12.99, so there's a good discount on these ones as well, and again, really good grip. So this is everything that we got from Mountain Warehouse.
So we actually found out on the walk today that Jazz got the days wrong, and it's not meant to come today, it's meant to come tomorrow, which is when we're away. So obviously can't take the paddleboards now on holiday with us, which isn't that much of an issue. It just means some of the things that we want to do, we can't do, but it gives us more time to now do other things that we maybe wanted to do more. So it's not that big of an issue. I've already planned the day to use them, so I'll vlog that when we manage to use them. So that brings us to an end of the video today. Got a lovely sunset in the garden to finish off the day. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.